Welcome to JH. If your DSTV decoder is frozen on the loading screen, don't panic. This is a frequent problem that can usually be resolved with a few simple actions. Begin by power cycling the device. Disconnect it from the wall outlet and wait for roughly 60 seconds before plugging it back in. This process clears minor technical bugs and provides the system with a clean start. Afterward, inspect your satellite dish's positioning. Ensure it is aimed correctly and verify that every cable is firmly attached. Signal interruptions often stem from poor weather or shifted hardware, which can lead to the startup screen hanging. You can also attempt a soft reset by pressing and holding the standby button on the unit for about 10 to 15 seconds. This often resolves temporary glitches causing the freeze. Additionally, look for specific error codes using the DSTV self-service portal on their site or via the My DSTV mobile app. Clearing these digital errors frequently fixes the boot-up issue. Confirm that your firmware is current. If you have an internet connection, navigate to Settings, then System Updates, and look for any pending downloads. Running outdated software often triggers loading failures, so an update might be the solution. If the problem persists, consider a factory reset. Head to Settings, select System Settings, and choose the option to reset decoder settings. Keep in mind that this returns the device to its default state and wipes your personal preferences, so only do this as a final option. If you are still having trouble, reach out to DSTV customer service. They can identify broader network issues or provide advanced troubleshooting tailored to your situation.